Try the big one. Nope, you were doing it right. Just try the big one. Here, try the, look. Try the big one. Try the big ratchet. Yeah. Work truck needs attention today. Yep, and I want to replace that today, but I got a job to do, so we'll have to rock with it, but rock with it like the Jackson 5s. Watch your hands, son. I can't have you beating up your knuckles. Pull that one off. Good old Harbor Freight tools. Replacement and new brakes.
The other one's back here, right?
Yeah, at the top right there.
Right here?
No, up there.
Dang.
Let me get it. My daddy got some muscle down. Go ahead. Yeah, it's bad. 18 millimeter, get it off though. Don't worry about that. We'll get that as soon as we put it down.